Have you ever felt like you're running in circles, chasing goals, but never quite reaching them? Like something's holding you back, something invisible yet powerful. Well, what if I told you the secret to breaking free is already inside you? It's your subconscious mind, your hidden powerhouse. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock it, reprogram it, and finally take charge of your life as we step into 2025. Let's start with the basics. Think of your mind as an iceberg. The conscious part, the part you're aware of, is just the tip. But beneath the surface lies your subconscious, vast and powerful. Here's a fact to blow your mind. Your subconscious processes 11 million bits of information per second, while your conscious mind, just 40. This hidden engine drives your habits, beliefs, and decisions. But don't worry, it's not set in stone. You can reprogram it, starting right now. Step 1. Identify and replace limiting beliefs. First things first, identify your limiting beliefs. These are the thoughts that sneak in and say, I can't do this, or this is impossible. Write them down. Yes, write them down. Then flip the script. Replace those negative beliefs with empowering ones like, I am capable, I can succeed, or I deserve this. Say these affirmations out loud. Yes, right now. Trust me, your subconscious is always listening. Step 2. Visualize your goals. Now, let's talk about visualization. This isn't just daydreaming, it's a powerful tool. Close your eyes and imagine your goals as if you've already achieved them. What does it look like? How does it feel? Picture every detail vividly. Your subconscious loves clarity. When you visualize, you're not just wishing, you're programming your mind to believe, and what you believe, you achieve. Step 3. Detox from distractions. Here's a tough one. Step away from the noise. Social media, binge watching, endless notifications, they're robbing you of energy and focus. In 2025, let's flip the script. Use that time to invest in your future, learn a new skill, start a side hustle, or simply take a walk and think. It's not about cutting out fun, it's about prioritizing what truly matters. Step 4. Practice mindfulness daily. Here's a game changer, mindfulness. It's not complicated, just 5 minutes a day. Sit in a quiet space, focus on your breath, and let the noise in your mind settle. This simple habit reduces stress, sharpens focus, and rewires your subconscious for clarity and calm. 5 minutes a day. That's all it takes to start. Step 5. Mirror work for confidence. Lastly, mirror work. It's as simple as it sounds. Stand in front of a mirror, look yourself in the eye, and speak positive affirmations. I am confident, I am successful, I am enough. At first, it might feel awkward, but stick with it. Over time, this practice strengthens your belief in yourself, and belief is the foundation of transformation. Here's the deal, commit to these steps for 21 days. Research shows it takes about 3 weeks to form a new habit. Small, consistent actions, repeated daily, lead to life-changing results. So, start now. Not tomorrow, not next week, now. Because 2025 isn't waiting, and neither should you. Your subconscious is a tool, a powerful one, and now you know how to use it. Believe in your potential, take these small steps, and watch your life transform. And hey, if you found this helpful, share it with someone who's ready to change their life too. Here's to crushing 2025 and becoming the person you were meant to be. You've got this.